it's Marisa Lowe, and today I'm going to be going over a new collection that we have. It is our Beachfront Kissed Collection. And this collection is while supplies last. So what that means is it's a limited edition for our summer, and once these items are gone, they are gone. Which is really sad because some of these items you're going to want them to stay forever. So I'm going to go over our new Beachfront Kissed Collection that you can get right now. Let's get this going. Okay, first of all, I've been waiting for this collection for a while. I ordered it a while back and I finally got my hands on it, and I'm really excited to show you guys everything about this collection. And I mean, just the packaging alone with this collection makes you want to just grab it. So this is the first thing. You're going to get this free makeup bag. You could also use it as a clutch. It is pretty big. So, and it has like this, so if you wanted to add like a chain to it to make it a purse, you could do that. But it's super huge and it can fit your whole collection inside. So that's the first thing. And it all has that, like everything with this collection has that bronze look, so you get that. All I can think of is when I see this color and I think of summer, it just reminds me of summer for one, reminds me about being out on the beach. It reminds me of J-Lo, like getting that all over glow. And with this collection, you are going to be like J-Lo with all that all over glow. I can guarantee you that. You'll be like, woo, sparkly goddess, practically like a mermaid goddess. Because when I think of the summer, I think of the beach, and that's why I'm wearing these awesome earrings that have mermaids on them. They're my favorites. And if you like the earrings, you can get them. I don't know if she has this style anymore, but she does sell this part, or these kind. And it's called BareStone Creations. So yeah, I had to wear my favorite earrings today to show off this amazing collection. Okay, so with the collection, you're gonna get this, and you are also gonna get a lip oil. Okay, and this is our Beachfront Kissed lip oil, and this is in the color Oceanside. And they all go on as a gloss. They're all big, see? They're all pretty big. But this one is called Oceanside, and it's made of coconuts. So it has like a really good smell of coconutty deliciousness. And it's great to throw in your beach bag. It's really moisturizing, and it has seeds in there. Each one of these has its own type of seeds. Each one of these is a different flavor, but they all go on as a clear gloss. And I have another one. So you're gonna get one of these, and you can choose. You can get a coconut one called Oceanside. You can get this one right here. That's one of my favorites, called Paradise Beach. I have both of these. I don't have the third one, but the third one is called Cocoa Beach, and it is made with real specks of cocoa. Yum. But this one has like kiwi seeds in it, and this one's called Paradise Beach, and it smells just smells like a vacation. Okay, it's like kiwi smell. This one's the kiwi one, this one's the coconut one. They're delicious, and you get one of these. You get to pick which one you want to go in your gold bag. And they're great, you know, when you're just going to the beach or going anywhere. Just put that on. If you like more natural look, it's going to moisturize your lips, and it's just perfect because I like doing that. A lot of times you see me with like the crazy colors when I come on here, but Reese that's just in a hurry or just want something on our lips, I love gloss. And you can always use that on top of, like if you have a lip stain, or even like a liquid lip splash, you can put that on there and get that glossy look. And I always have liked that glossy look. But look at the packaging. I mean, everything is like, woo! Okay, so you get that. Next, you are going to be getting, and it fell out, a highlighter. And this is gorgeous. Gorgeous! It is just screams J-Lo to me. But it is called Belize. They all have like vacation-y names, right? Beaches. But here it is. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's like gold. It's like just gold yumminess. And it's soft and it's glittery and it's gorgeous. And you can use this as a highlighter, you can use this as a shadow. Yeah, so we're gonna do that actually. Because I already did my makeup today except for the highlight. Yes. Can you see that? Or you can dust it on with like a fan brush. I hope you can see it. But it's gold. It's really beautiful gold. So you get that in your collection, and then you get to choose which liquid eyeshadow you want. Okay, now these are pretty awesome. I have the color Baja, which is like a silvery, like bluish color, and I also. And you're going to pick any color you want. And right now, if you buy, any of these products are sold individually, but a lot of the liquid shadows, 2 of them I believe are sold out with buying them individually, so you can only get them in the collection itself. I believe it's Palm Beach that might be sold out. But here's the one that I got with the collection. This one is called Santa Monica. It's a beautiful like burgundy, red, sparkly color. And I'll be honest with you, you have to be very careful when you open these up. I broke the end of my applicator off of there, so that's no big deal for me. I know I can squeeze it out, but yeah, I pulled it a little too hard and wrecked that part of it. But you can always, if that happens to you, you can always contact support and they can give you a different one. They're more than willing to trade it out. But I'm okay with it, so. But there is the Baja. And I've seen other presenters use this on their lips. It is a liquid eyeshadow, but you can use this on your lips. And it dries really fast and it will stay all day, so it's great for when you go to the beach. I'm going to open this one, and I'm going to be a little bit more careful when I'm opening this, so I can hopefully show you guys the little applicator. See the little applicator on the end? It's made like that so it's easier to put on the eyes. This one is Santa Monica. It is gorgeous. Do you see that? That is gorgeous. And one of our presenters put it on her lips. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. So I'm going to put that on my eyes right now with you guys. We'll see how it looks. It is so pretty, and these are all metallic-y colors. And this little applicator just makes it easier to apply it. It's great. and they're buildable. So you can put this, you can lay this down, let it dry. If you want it more dark, you can redo it again. Okay. I'm gonna let those dry. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. I'm not gonna even touch it. I'm just gonna put that on there. And then I'm going to be using my Epic One Step Mascara. My favorite mascara that we have. Of course, I was getting mascara. Look, see? I'm just gonna wipe it off with a little wipey. I got a little bit of mascara everywhere. Okay. So that is the Santa Monica. So that's Santa Monica, and this is Baja, and then this is our highlighter. And I'm actually going to go in with the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm just using our crease brush. Okay. Ready for the beach. And you know what? I'm going to put this underneath. Kyron? Can you turn down your game? Okay, and I put it underneath. Okay. And then last but not least in our collection, what I'm really excited for is our Shimmering Body Oil. And it's just, this screams gorgeousness. And you can get this $39 on its own, or you can get it in the collection. The collection itself is $107, and I feel like it's totally worth it because you get a really nice bag. You get a liquid eyeshadow, you get a lip oil, and then you get the highlighter, and you get this. And I feel like this is a really big bottle. And you see all that glitterness, yumminess. And it's our Shimmering Body Oil, and it's an oil. It's gonna moisturize your skin, but I wouldn't recommend putting it on your face because it's oil, but you know, like on your shoulders, on this area, all that. So we're gonna try it out. They recommend that you use a They recommend that you use a beauty blender with this. I'm just gonna use my hand for now. And I'm just going to stand up so you can see. And put it right here. Do you see all that glitter? Woo. And it smells, it has a good smell to it. I can't even explain the smell. It doesn't smell like coconuts. Like a lot of people are wondering if it smells like coconuts. It has a smell to it, but it just smells good. I don't even know how to explain the smell. It just smells like a vacation. That's what it smells like. You're on a tropical vacation somewhere. Do you see that? Woo! It's gorgeous. I'm not going to put too much on my arms, but I want to show how it glitters. But wouldn't that be nice? You're wearing a nice dress out for a dinner date, or, you know, a tank top, or, you know, you just want to get that sparkly all over glow. This is what you need right here. And it's in a glass bottle, so you gotta be extra careful. But it is 120 milliliters, which is 4.05 ounces. It's a big bottle and will last you the whole summer and maybe even longer than that. So with this collection, you get this right here. You get a highlighter that you can also use as an eyeshadow. You get a lip oil, which has its own seeds in it, and it's extra moisturizing on the lips. We have a cocoa one, a coconut one, and a kiwi one. It's your choice in the collection. And then you get to choose whatever type of eyeshadow you want. The two that I showed you today, we have Baja and Santa Monica. And I've also seen people use them on their lips and then use the body oil over the top of them. So that's what you get. And then you get this big bag that you can add on a chain if you like, and put all your makeup on as a bag or a clutch for date night. It's gorgeous. And I'm excited for this collection. If you have any questions, or if you want to make a purchase of any of these, they all are sold individually and also in the collection. Some colors with the liquid eyeshadow are sold out if you buy them individually, but you will be able to get some of them that are sold out individually in the collection itself. So there's that option. But I also wanted to let you know of another product. I don't have it on hand, but it is a new product that's really awesome. It's like a setting powder. You can get it in 4 different colors: light, medium, dark, and deep, I believe. And it has an SPF of 25. So when you're done doing your makeup, you just put that right up on there. And it's good to take to the beach. You know, sometimes you don't want to wear makeup anywhere, like you want it, but you don't want to, because you know you're gonna have to reapply sunscreen on your face, and like, who has time to mess up your makeup like that? So if you still want to wear the makeup and still look great, we have the SPF that you can put on top of your skin, and you can reapply it throughout the day. It gives you that flawless look, blurs out, you know, imperfections. It's amazing. I can't wait to try that. But that just came out recently. If you have any questions on any of our products, feel free to message me. You can find me at MarisaLoweLashDollBeauty on Facebook. And yeah, thank you for watching, and can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye bye.